comes to sports sedans, the M3 has been at the top since 1986. Combustion, vibration, and noise have characterized it for the past 4 decades. Chassis code ZA0, the 2027 BMW M3 Electric, deviates significantly from the norm and presents an extremely frightening alternative. This is not just an i4 M50 with a body package. It is built on the distinctive Neue Klasse architecture. With this purpose-built weapon, we aim to demonstrate that the ultimate driving machine can conquer the globe without the use of spark plugs. This vehicle's brain, not its battery, is its most vital component. For BMW, it's the heart of happiness. In earlier models, independent computers communicated with one another to regulate the engine, gearbox, and stability control. A single superprocessor integrates all of the M3's components into its ZA0. Compared to the previous system, it responds 10 times quicker. Not only does this vehicle respond to slippage, it can actually anticipate it. The way it instantly changes the power to each wheel eliminates understeer before. You can even feel it, making it feel almost telepathic. Put its rivals' dual motor configurations out of your mind. A quad motor arrangement with 1 motor per wheel powers the top-of-the-line M3 Electric. The top-tier model reportedly generates over 1,000 horsepower and 1 megawatt of power. According to preliminary data, it teleports rather than accelerates. Its gasoline-powered sister takes far longer to go from 0 to 60 mph, taking 2.x seconds instead. With independent motors for all 4 wheels, the M3 is capable of tank turns, which, when applied to a racetrack, results in limitless torque vectoring. With an almost supernatural amount of force, it can spin the outside wheel ahead while pulling the inside wheel, allowing the vehicle to navigate tight curves. Introducing the iconic Sounds Electric collection, a return by Hans Zimmer. It is not an attempt to imitate a V8 engine. As the G-forces grow, the sound becomes more and more like a rising turbine, creating an immersive sci-fi experience reminiscent of flying a TIE fighter. The ZA0 M3 is slimmer, broader, and sharper than its predecessor, the G80, which had a hefty, aggressive appearance. An extension of the Vision Neue Klasse, the front end is an evolutionary step forward. An interactive glass panel replaces the grille and headlights. The panel has the ability to wink, showing the charging state, or turn opaque for aerodynamics. Leaning forward into the wind, it appears menacing, compared to the previous i4. The new i4 is many inches shorter, thanks to the new cylindrical battery cells that are built into the chassis. This gives it the imposing, low profile of an authentic M vehicle, rather than a towering electric sedan. The absence of window trim brings back the iconic C-pillar curve, which is now even sharper than before. Gone is the disarray. The 2027 M3's cabin is a tribute to radical minimalism. The entire width of the lower section of the windshield is used to display high-definition driving statistics, including lap times, G-forces, and speed. You keep your gaze fixed on the road ahead. There is a little square steering wheel that is thick and little, with its haptic paddles that modulate the strength of regenerative braking rather than gear changes, and its boost mode, which permits nearly pedal-less steering. This race car is sure to turn heads. The carbon seats are now upgraded with Verdant, a plant-based substance that provides superior traction than leather and allows for greater air circulation during hot weather. Additionally, they are lighter than before.